Review of Solara Active Pharma Sciences, a new stock in the pharma space, and this stock had been very good to its investors from the time it got listed. Let's look at the rankings for Solara. Earnings rank is just shade below the requirement to track the stock at 69.3. That is about 30% of companies from the track list that we have to track the market. 740 stocks as of December. Previous month we had it at 680. As the markets get bullish, more and more stocks get added to the list. Out of 740 stocks, Solara ranks at 69.3. That means 30% of stocks in the market from that list are better in their profit growth compared to Solara in the market today. Coming to price rank, Solara ranks at 98.3. Excellent ranking. And when we plot the price rank chart, 6 months back, Solara was at 91.9. And after 6 months, it is at 98.3. In this period, we would say that only 7 percentage point rise in the ranking, what this stock would have given. While we go to the charts, we will see how that performance have mattered the most. When rankings are above 80 and 90, how the stocks perform. Let's look at it. So this stock qualifies to be a multi-bagger. That's why this right tick on this challenging image. Coming to peer group ranking, since the stock is very new in the market, data available for analysis is very less. From the time this stock qualified for ranking itself, the stock has been doing very good. From June 19 onwards, we have quarterly EBITDA growth, which was at 38%. Positive growth, went slightly negative during COVID periods and again climbed back to 31. So very good company compared to other peer group stocks in the industry. Coming to TTM EBITDA growth, in March 2020 is the first TTM we are getting because the stock is too young in the market. It was at 24.32, slight decline to 19.63, still positive. So this could be because of COVID pressures. Going forward, as the new results keep coming, we should see how the stock is performing. Coming to the ranking against peer group, Solara Active is the number one on price rank, 98.3. No stock is closer to it. Divis Labs is the nearest one with 96.2. So the best stock in the pharma space in the market today. Earnings rank, Solara Active is at 69.3. Sun Pharma is the highest. Cipla is the lowest. Based on the rankings, price rank gives a very good qualifier for the stock among the group, whereas on earnings growth, Solara has to catch up. Coming to business growth, again because it is having very less data, profit had a bump up during mid 2020. This generally, when there is a big rise in the profit growth, sustaining that is very, very challenging. So it went close to 70% growth and afterwards it had a steady decline and has touched zero now. So that's why this image of a guy doing a marathon has been tired. So he's been sweating. So it looks like the company also got tired after a big run up that it had. Sales had been flat. It had a small dip and now started slightly inching up. Margins have been good and increasing. So with increasing margin, if the sales starts picking up, profits should start showing up. That probably is already factored into the stock because stock has been running up big time. Coming to investors, domestic investors identified, invested and stayed in this stock for a good long time and made fantastic money in it. They made the biggest profit for domestic financial institutions. FIIs and retail investors failed to notice the stock. Surprising, FIIs also missed to have the stock. Of course, it is a small market cap stock in the market. They might have run behind bigger ones because there was bigger opportunities available post-COVID in the market. Mutual funds also kind of stayed away, started selling. While thumbs up to domestic financial institutions, they made the big money from the stock. Coming to the charts, again, since there is lesser history for the stock, no monthly charts available because indicators will not work on a lesser period charts. So new sibling in the market, pre-COVID, it had a small upside move which had resulted in a small profit in that trade. After that, due to COVID, it took a hit, and within no time it reversed back. By early May or mid-May, the stock gives a buy signal which gave a 30% gain, and it had a small correction which took the stock out of the position, and now it is in a new position which is also doing good. As it is climbing up, there is some weakness getting built in the stock. So what can be expected from Solara in the coming months? Looks like with the weakness that it has developed, it can have a downside move, go down, build strength, and along with the support from the balance sheet, it can have a next upside move, which looks like with the kind of profit margin growth and the way the business is being done by the company, it will have another big move along with the sector, or on its own also there is a potential. So post a correction, one can look at buying the stock. If suppose looking to buy as it is, take lesser exposure so that in case if the stock turns down and hits the stop loss, you don't lose much. All the views shared are thoughts and ideas on the stock market from our side. There are no recommendations given to buy or sell any stock. If you want to buy or make a decision to sell, do your judgment, get to know about what are the risks, and then take a decision to buy or sell. Thank you.